We need to verify the depth readings on the central piling cluster immediately.
The survey markers are consistent, but I will double-check the levels.
See how the wind wraps around the spire here. That's our primary challenge.
If we adjust the stepping slightly, the vortex shedding reduces significantly.
Yeah. Clear the area now. The crane is coming down. Watch the cable, move it slowly. All right, easy now, easy. Hold it steady now.
Almost there, push it left.
Got it tied. We're almost topped off here. All right, signaling the pump to slow down. The temperature differential looks stable.
Yes, the sensors confirm optimal hydration levels across the mat.
Lower it slowly now. All right, easy, easy. Watch your hands, brother. Okay, set it down.
Slowly swing left, bring it down easy. 5 meters to go, hold steady.
Panel secured. Let's move down to the next section.
Copy that.
Lowering the scaffold. Lower it slowly. Okay, hold it there. Start the weld. Double check section 4B on the blueprint. Aligning the frame now, boss. Ensure that flange is torqued to specifications. It's secure, boss. We are good to go.
Alignment check complete. Everything within tolerance.
Confirmed. Stable.
Okay, lower slowly, keep it steady.
Looks good from here, boss. Almost lined up.
Hold it, and set. Hold it right there, we're clear on this side.
All right, easy, easy. 10 more millimeters down.
The simulation is concluding. Check the displacement at the spire.
It's stabilized perfectly. The design holds up even under these extreme conditions.
Okay, center it right there. Hold on, the blueprint says 20 centimeters left. All right, got it. Secure the drill. All right, let's take it down another section. Copy that. Moving down now. This section is secure. Send up the glass panel. Confirmed. Watch the load. Keep it steady.
Is that aligned on your side?
Looks good. Send it home.
We are passing the observation deck now. Speed is optimal.
All readings are green. The dampeners are fully engaged.
Preparing for rapid deceleration.
This harness anchor looks good. Log the PSI data.
Copy that. All safety systems are nominal on this level.
The thermal dynamics here are slightly off. See the spike?
It's an expected variance. The structural integrity is confirmed across all parameters.
I'm tightening the valve now. Check the levels.
Looks good.
It's holding steady.
Welcome to the observation deck. Please follow the indicators for the exit and mind your step.
Look down there, that must be the new complex they just finished.
Incredible. The scale is just unbelievable from up here.
The oscillation data from level 130 seems slightly elevated here.
Yes, but the long-term trend analysis confirms stability within acceptable parameters.
Okay, team, commence lowering procedure. Watch the line.
Roger that. Patient is secure.
Acknowledged. Begin the hoist.
The traffic flow is critical near the new tower. We should initiate the green protocol.
Confirmed. Adjusting environmental controls and rerouting grid 7.